and use of your property, such as we see Mr. Van der Walt driving a motor vehicle of the EMPD. There must be rules about that.
It's illegal, firstly, in it. The very short answer is that's impersonation of a police officer. You're using resources belonging to the state, and that's seconds or moments while you're driving the car. You're driving a police car, so you're actually impersonating a police officer. And you can go, most probably, if there's real police on the scene, you can arrest him for theft. You can arrest him for use of your property. It is highly irregular that civilians, the only civilians I know of that drive our vehicles is the mechanic when we take it into the workshop, and even then it becomes problematic. We have established a whole unit, that the fleet unit, that makes sure that the mechanic doesn't, for instance, drive our vehicles into the public road distances. It's so that we use our own office to say, take it to the garage or take it to the workshop for repairs. It becomes highly problematic if civilians start to drive official police vehicles.
So in a